80s music.
She's recording us, by the way.
I don't give a flying fuck.
Turn that fucking thing off.
Fuck you.
Fuck you in your ass. What a big fucking black dildo. Big one. Subway footlong. Subway footlong.
Oh my god.
I'm so glad I got that on video. Zach was a Subway footlong of his ass. Don't you, Zach? That horse over there is your best friend.
If you can find those with the videos from last weekend, I will kill you.
Huh?
If you can find those with the videos from last weekend, I will kill you.
What videos?
The videos of me saying what I wanted.
Oh, when you wanted a big cock?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got those videos.
If you combine this one with those ones, I'll kill you.
I'm dead. Pizza, pizza.
And sex at the same time.
Sex?
Shit.
Oh. My mind's somewhere else.
I wouldn't mind combining pizza and sex either, but don't have anybody to fuck, so.
That was a fucking great fucking song.
It is.
I love that song.
I cannot get drunk, you guys.
Will you turn the fucking camera off, for God's sake? Shit.
Turn the camera off and drink.
Yeah. Turn the camera off and drink if you can't get fucking buzzed.
Drink.